wall tore itself open, and suddenly the cavern was full of light. Leela sat up astonished as red fire and flame licked and cracked at the rocky roof. All of a sudden, the grotto was alive with movement, as thousands of fire imps swarmed upwards to dash themselves against the rock and smash into 1,000 more, as a wide carpet of boiling lava spread from side to side, as the clang and clash of mighty hammers and anvils rang with the rhythm of a great fire dance. The cavern was full of light and noise. Thousands upon thousands of little fire sprites toiled and blazed and swung hammers and ran to and fro with handfuls of sparks and swarmed against the rocky wall until it melted and slid downwards like soft wax. Then the greedy creatures plunged their red hands into it and lifted up the bubbling sulphur to their tiny mouths and ate until another mass of rock slid down and smothered them. And then, into the heart of the light and the fire and the noise, leapt Razvani himself, the great fire fiend, whose body was a mask of scorching flame and whose face a mask of scorching light. Thousands of fire imps scattered as he landed, and even the blazing flames bowed down to him. And so did Leela, in a voice like the roar of a forest fire. Razvani spoke. By what right have you come to my grotto? She swallowed hard. It was difficult to breathe because she seemed to be taking fire into her lungs as well as air. I want to be a firework maker, she managed to say. Well, you've come this far, said the fire fiend, and there's no going back. Now you're here, you must walk in the flames like every other firework maker. You must submit yourself as they did. Walk into my flames, Leela. You have come for the royal sulphur. Receive it!